Welcome to session 30. We are going to discuss about the more words which are describing the roots, prefix and suffix from where it is going to be made. So we are discussing about the etymology of the words. It means we are going to discuss the history of making the words. So here in the blue letter, the prefix, suffix or a root is given, and in a maroon color letter, it is about the meaning, and I have written the meaning of it. So venter means belly, and ventriloquent means somebody who is speaking from the belly. Locor means speak, and loquacious means talkative. Oris means ear, and avuncular. Avunculus means uncle, so avuncular. Dorsum means back, so endorse means to sign at the back. Vox means voice, so vociferous. Pharaoh means bring, vociferous. Somnus means sleep, so somnambulant means who can walk in sleep. Ous, loquacious. In when you put in the prefix, it makes a negative, so inarticulate. Ambulo means walk, so somnambulant, person who can walk in sleep. Ory is an adjective suffix, so soporific or factory. Per means true, so perambulant or preamble. Here pre, so it is before speech. Before somebody is giving speech, the opening speech you can say preamble. Sopor means to sleep, soporific, that is bringing sleep. Fic or facio, soporific. Any double S, tacitness. Ity, taciturnity. ION, circumlocution. ENT, eloquent or magnificent or endorsement. Now we are going to match the words which are written in blue color with the red color. So ventral, what is the meaning of ventral? Means referring to the front or a belly side. Dorsal means referring to the back side. Somniferous means bringing sleep or sleep inducing. Insomnia or insomnious means unable to fall asleep. Somnolent means drowsy. Somnambulistic means pertaining to sleepwalking. Ambulatory, able to walk after being bedridden. Articulate means verbal or vocal. Ventricular or auricular, pertaining to one chamber of the heart. Avuncular like an uncle, kindly or protective. Again, blue words are there and you have to find out the meaning in the maroon word. So let's say ventricle or auricle. So ventricle or auricle means chamber of the heart. Endorsement, supporting or approval. Vociferousness, any double S means it is a noun. So vociferousness, it means loudness or clamorness. Insomnia means inability to fall asleep. Somnolence means drowsiness. Somnambulism, so sleepwalking. Preambulator means baby buggy or a stroller. Preamble, introduction or parliamentary or introductory occurrence. Soporific, sleeping pills. Inarticulateness, 10. Incoherence, sputtering, inability to get the words out. And 11. Banality, lack of originality, lack of imagination. Endorse means to sign on the back or support the approval of. Vociferous, say loudly with great vehemence. Insomniac, one who cannot fall asleep. Somnolency means drowsiness. Somnambulist means sleepwalker. Preambulate means a stroll through, walk around. Amble, walk aimlessly. Soporific means causing sleep. Insomnious means wakeful, unable to fall asleep. Does the insomniac often need a soporific? Yes. Insomniac means a person who cannot sleep, and soporific means sleeping pills. Does a somnambulist always stay in bed when sleep? Somnambulist is a person who can walk in a sleep, so no. Are ambulatory patient bedridden? Ambulatory patient means somebody who can walk, so no. Does a preamble come after another event? No, it comes before event, so no. Are articulate people verbal? Yes, articulate people are verbal. Does banality show creativeness? Banality means ordinary, and ordinary doesn't have creativeness, so no. Does avuncular attitude indicate affections and protectiveness? Yes, avuncular means like an uncle. Is vociferation habitual with quiet, shy and people? No, vociferous people are loud, noisy and vehement, so no. Is somnolent persons wide awake? Somnolent means somebody who is sleeping, so no. Is somniferous speakers stimulate and exciting? Somniferous people are the people who can indice, who can give you the sleep, so no. Lack of imagination or originality in speech, action or style of life, hackneyed and trite phraseology is a banality. Sleep-inducing, soporific, unable to fall asleep, insomnious, verbal, vocal, speaking fluently, so that is an articulation or articulate. Acting like an uncle, avuncular. Referring to the front, ventriloquent. Referring to the back, posterior, doors. Approve or support or sign, endorse. Shout vehemently, vociferous. One who cannot fall asleep, insomniac. Drowsy, sleepy, soporific. Sleepwalker, somnambulist. Now able to walk through, previously bedridden, ambulatory. Walk aimlessly, amble. Introduction or introductory event, preamble. Incoherence, inarticulate. Here is a statement and three options are given, option A, B and C. So let us read the statement which is given in red color. This inclined to conversation, so that person is known as laconic. Trite means something very small, so garrulous. Rapid and fluent means voluble. Forceful and compelling, vociferous. Unspoken, tacit. Using elegant and impressive words, grandiloquent. Back means dorsal. Sleep inducing, soporific. Inability to fall asleep, insomnia. Talkative, loquacity. Expressing indirectly or roundabout, circumlocutory. Elegance in expression, so it is magniloquence or grandiloquence. Wordiness means verbosity. Big-hearted, generous and unselfish, magnanimous. Causing radical changes. Radical changes means revolutionary. To shout vehemently means vociferate. Like an uncle, avuncular. Next, here is a root word is given and you have to find out the meaning of it. Taceo. Taceo means to be silent, and from that the taciturn word is there. Loquior. Loquior means to speak, so loquacity. Solus means self, so soliloquize. Venter means a front part, so ventral. Magnans means something big, so magniloquent. Grandis means something large, big or grand, so grandiloquent. Verbum means verbal, so verbatim, word to word. Volvo means to roll, so revolution. Garruleo means chatter, so garrulous. Animus means mind, so magnanimous. Opus means to work, so magnum opus. Opero means to work, so operator. Oris means ear, so oracle. Avunculus means uncle, so avuncular. Dorsum means back, so dorsal. Vox means voice, so vociferate. Fero means to bring or to carry, so somniferous. Ambulo means to walk, so preamble. Sopor means sleep, so soporific. Somnus means somnolency. Here is a teaser's questions for the amateur etymologist. The present participle of the Latin word opero, to work and working. So from the operandi means of working. Can you figure out the literal meaning of the phrase out? Modus operandi, sometime used to signify the characteristic of the methods used in certain criminal. Modus operandi means procedure. Circum we have learned in a fixed meaning around, as in circumlocution, circumference, circumcision, circumnavigations, etc. Thinking of the root scribe, to write. Can you figure out the meaning? Writing material or written material, so manuscript. You know the root somnus means somnus and loquior. Somnus means sleep and loquior means to talk. Can you combine these root words adjective meaning? Talking to oneself, so soliloquent means a person who can talk in a sleep. We have discovered oris means ear. Can you figure out the specialty of the physician called orist, ENT specialist? Earth, nose and throat. Verbal from the verbum refers to the words. Oral from OS, oris. The mouth refer to the spoken word sound. Can you analyze the oral and decide the meaning? Somnambulis, walk in sleep. What is the noctambulis? Anosity, noct means night. So walk in sleep at night, noctambulist. Soporific, combining sopor, sleep, to make the means inciting these causing sleep. Use somnus, so and another root, sleep, and then find out the meaning of soporific. So soporific is also known as somnolency. It is also known as preambulate, is to walk through. Use another Latin prefix to construct the word meaning walk around. Circumambulate. So here we are ending session number 30. Now in the next session we are going to discuss more about the new verbs. So till that time, bye bye.